Bonitas, welcome to our very first series of Bonita Travel Diaries. In this series, we're going to be showcasing the different rich cultures that make up our beautiful Latinx heritage. And we're going to kick it off right here in Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic. So come along with me as I travel here for the next 2 to 3 days. Let's go.
While doing my research for this trip, I discovered a sandwich shop named Boca. It's apparently a staple in Santo Domingo, so I had to make a visit. It's a 24-hour fast food joint that stays busy at all hours of the day and offers a simple but delicious menu of savory, fresh sandwiches.
Here we are, we're gonna try an especial from Boca. It looks amazing, look at that. I'm excited. All right, I'm gonna take my first bite.
We lucked out and met the owner's son, who let us know that Boca will be turning 66 years old this year. Did you know there is a Barrio Chino in Santo Domingo? Nope, neither did I. Located directly north of La Zona Colonial, this marks one of the only 2 Chinatowns in the Caribbean.
Salud. There you go. Yes. I've been dying for the past hour. Bonitas, here we are at the Zona Colonial. Follow me as we take a mini tour around the city. Let's go.
We made it to Santo Domingo's most historic neighborhood, La Zona Colonial. You can spot the first hospital, university, cathedral, monastery, and even the first street of the New World.
Right behind me, we have La Catedral Santa María la Menor, which is considered the oldest cathedral found in the New World. From what I read, it was started to build in 1514, but it wasn't completed until 1541. And the last visit from the Pope, as you guys can notice right behind me, was in 1992.
Walking down La Calle El Conde was such a scenic experience. Every time I visit an old city, I admire the colorful walls and balconies.
Always, to me, it's always so much fun visiting different countries and being able to walk and drink a bottle of beer, where in America you can't. This is La Fortaleza Osama right behind me. Unfortunately, due to COVID, I can't go inside and see it, but from behind here, you can probably catch a glimpse of it. So the special thing about being here in La Zona Colonial is that at every corner, everywhere you walk, there's a piece of history. There's so much history about this area, about this piece of land. I mean, think about it. This is like when the very first colonizers came to the New World. And right over there, to my right, is where Christopher Columbus actually lived, which is insane. I actually did not know. So you can actually see that and visit that. And there's also another area right behind me where the river is, where apparently there's a landmark where Christopher Columbus first settled here. And a lot of people get together there and take pictures and whatnot, but not to celebrate that, but just as a moment of history. So something that you probably didn't know. Bonitas, here we are in el Parque de la Independencia here in Santo Domingo, where Francisco del Rosario Sanchez declared Dominican Republic's Independence Day on February 27, 1844. Right behind me here is a very monumental statue and also area for the city, for the country. So I'm very excited to be here and celebrate the Dominican Independence Day right here with you today. Okay, Bonita, so here we are at Chica Light. We're going to take a quick lunch break before we continue with the tour and have some fresh chicharron with a lot of limon and, you know, just satisfy the belly of mine. So stay tuned for more. Okay, so here we have the chicharron. Chicharron has consistency of the meat, but also you have like la grasita, which is my favorite part. But it's also maybe not the best part for you, but who cares? Because who's counting calories? Who's counting that? Live your life. Good morning, Bonitas. It's day 2 here in Santo Domingo, and I am starting my morning off with some traditional mango, as you guys can see here. I am very excited to have some mango because this is something that has also been on my list of what to eat while I'm here. Because, you know, we've all had mango in New York, but I wanted to get the mango taste in Santo Domingo. So let's dive into my meal, shall we? Hola Bonitas, we are here in la provincia de la Romana, in la Cueva de las Maravillas, which we unfortunately can't go inside and take pictures. However, we saw it, it's beautiful, but we are going to be entering a famous maze that they have in here, and I've heard wonders about it. We're going to get lost for sure, and we're going to have to, our mission behind this maze is to find the middle point, which is this palm tree. So tag along with us, get lost with me. Let's find the middle point of the maze, and then once we get there, we're going to film a quick surprise. Follow, come on. You remember that song? And that's what takes me home. I'm so lost right now. I can't find myself out of the...
You're in the beginning.
Okay, never mind. So I'm at the beginning. Okay, let's start from the beginning. We're gonna walk in, and our goal is to make it to the very middle of the maze. Yay! We found the middle point of the maze!
This maze was actually finished in 2020, so it's very new to tourists. If you don't suffer from claustrophobia or anxiety, I recommend it. Why not? Explore, but get ready to get lost.
Hey, Bonitas, we made it. We made it to the beach. We made it to Boca Chica. We're about 45 minutes away from the city. I'm ready to eat some fried fish. It's the red snapper that I hear is the go-to dish here, made by the locals. This is the People's Beach. Okay, this is not your go-to tourist attraction, but I'm excited. Let's explore Boca Chica. My fried fish has arrived with fresh tostones, a bit of salad. I have my presidente here, nice and fria, and I'm ready to dive in, you guys. One thing that I have to say is that, you know, there's so many other beaches in DR that I could have gone to visit, and I specifically chose this beach because it's the locals beach, it's the people's beach, and I wanted to really get the full essence of what the locals eat here, right? What it is to be in Dominican Republic and live as un Dominicano, una Dominicana. So I wanted to get that experience. So I'm excited again to dive into my food. Salud and bon appetit. Bonitas, so we made it to our final stop here in El Malecón of Santo Domingo. This is a nice area where family like to come and hang out for the day, do some ocean viewing, maybe take a sip of beer, chill, relax. This is a perfect Sunday day stroll. Concludes our trip to Santo Domingo, DR. I hope you guys truly enjoyed my first experience here in the city center of, the heart of it all of DR. And I also hope that you guys enjoy this new series. This is just the kickoff to this Bonita Travel Diary series. And I hope to bring you so much more content, so much more videos, so many more tours of different cities, of different countries maybe. I'm so excited to share this with you, with my Bonita community. So, un besito para todas, and until the next tour, I'll see you guys then. Bye!